morning! Today is Monday. Kahapon yung Mother's Day. Nag-vlog ako ng saglit guys dun sa pinuntahan naming Korean barbecue and I will show you the clip. Yay! Ate! Bibimbap guys. And I just want to do a quick video ngayon guys kasi kahapon hindi naman ako masyadong nakapag-vlog and actually guys the whole week hindi ako nag-vlog and wala akong mga upload. Sobrang busy guys, ang daming ganap and alam ko maraming nagme-message sa inyo sa akin na bakit wala akong mga uploads. Nasanay kasi kayo guys na usually every day or every other day may upload ako pero sobrang ang daming ganap ngayon and I'm pinagpaplano din kami pag-uwi sa Philippines. So yun guys, maraming ganap. Pero ngayon guys, I'm back and ano natin, ipupush natin ang mga vlogs para sa inyo and malapit na yung Philippine vlog and yung isa-surprise namin yung mga bata sa Hong Kong Disneyland guys. Hindi pa nila alam hanggang ngayon pero yun, sana hindi mapanood ni ate. So yun guys, ito yung mga natanggap ko nung Mother's Day kahapon. So as usual, may flowers ako kasi ito yung favorite thing ko sa buong mundo guys. I love flowers. And yung Pandora, lagi ako nakakatanggap guys kasi diba meron akong Pandora collection. So yung mga charms sa loob guys. As meron silang sale guys na pag umabot ka ng certain amount may libreng bracelet. Eh diba yung bracelet alone is very expensive. So may bracelet na ako pero meron pang extra. So thank you. And then may watch and ito yung YSL na perfume. So yun guys, sobrang daming pasabog ni Mayor kahapon at mga bata. Ano ko lang guys kasi hindi ko na pick up talaga yung camera agad-agad while they were doing it kasi syempre parang I just wanna feel the moment at very thankful lang ako sa lahat ng effort na pinakita nila. Yung mga bata, pagpasok ko sa kwarto, meron sila yung blocks guys, yung parang yung blocks, building blocks, kasi nilagyan nila Mother's Day. And then si ate and then si Mark may dala-dala silang chalkboard, tapos nilagyan nila Happy Mother's Day, I love you from Isha and from Isha and Mark. So very sweet guys, nakakatuwa lang and yun, opo lang ako guys, sobrang nakakangawit ha. So yun guys, ano pa bang ganap kahapon na hindi ko talaga na-vlog, hindi ko talaga, parang inano ko yung moment na I-actually enjoy it, hindi ko naisip na kunin yung camera and while they were giving me the gift. So, sobrang na-feel ko lang talaga na sobrang appreciated ako ng mga bata and lalo-lalo na si Javi. And guys, hindi naman kayo lahat is friend ko sa Facebook at hindi din lahat is friend ko sa IG. So, I will just share you a message na pinost ni Javi sa Facebook account ko. Sabi niya, special mention to I believe the most hardworking mother up to date. No offense to parents who have 10 kids. I just want you to know that what you do is amazing and something I'm sure I can't do. I mean, how do you find time to edit video after basically cleaning the house inside out? Taking the kids to school, packing their lunches, taking care of baby, making the lunches, just doing everything. I'm sure I married a superwoman. I appreciate what you do for this family. You're basically my arm and limb, and without you, everything would crumble. I know you know that because you told me that. You're doing a great job, hon, and I honestly can't thank you enough. I love you, and I said this before, and I will say it again. It will always be you. I would never have it any other way. Happy Mother's Day. So guys, parang pinost ko to sa Instagram ko. I-follow nyo na rin guys. At Love Embog. Sobrang guys, parang alam mo na mahal ka ng asawa mo and you know, appreciate ka niya. Pero mabasa o marinig yung mga words na yon coming from him, sobrang mas nakakagaan ng loob. And I know maraming na-touch nung pinost ko to sa IG kasi guys, parang all your hard work and all your effort at pagmamahal sa kanila, you know na nireciprocate nila and they truly appreciate it. So yun guys, sa lahat ng mga dakilang ina, alam ko sobrang tagal ko ito ma-upload, pero sa lahat ng mga dakilang ina, saludo ako sa inyo at hindi talaga matatawanan yung pagmamahal ng ina sa mga anak nila at sa pamilya nila. So sa mga single mother dyan, sa kahit sinong nanay, kahit sinong mga nanay, single mother, may partner, may asawa o wala, it doesn't make you any less or doesn't make you any greater. Lahat tayo pantay-pantay at lahat tayo gusto natin ng the best sa mga anak natin. So, belated Happy Mother's Day sa lahat ng mga nanay. Alam ko yung sakripisyo at pagmamahalin nyo sa mga anak ninyo. Kaya i-push lang natin yan, guys. So, yun. Yun, guys. Yun lang. Nag-explain lang ako kung bakit medyo ang tagal-tagal walang vlogs and walang upload. Sobrang busy lang. So, guys, pupunta kami ng mga bata ngayon sa St. Agnes Shopping Center. Malapit siya sa Modbury. Dito sa Adelaide, guys. Kinontak ako ng isang yoga business to have parang pictorial ngayon, parang just a few photos. Tapos ninoffer nila ako ng free class ng yoga. So next week yun, guys. Gustong-gusto kong i-try yung yoga pero mahal siya, guys. So hindi ko talaga siya naisip na mag-enroll, pero ngayon dahil in-offer sa akin for free, so isubukan natin. Dahil malapit na kami muli sa Philippines, pwede yan makatulong sa ating balikan lindog. And yun, guys, so ngayon magpipicture-picture lang, makapag-vlog ako later. Yun, guys, natatawa lang ako kasi hindi naman ako talaga nag-yoga, guys. So parang this is new for me. Hindi ko alam kung anong mga post mamaya dyan sa ano na yan, sa pictorial na yan, pero kasama yung instructor. I think para siguro madaming tingnan or madami silang ano, pero hindi, not really sure para saan yung picture na yan. So yun, guys, binoffer ako ng free class and then 4 weeks na restorative class ata, free yun sa akin, guys. So yun, very exciting. Tapos basta kahapon, guys, biglang pumutok na lang yung email ko, ang daming mga business proposal. So yung Sophil din, yung jewelry shop, guys, nag-contact din sa akin. So I think they will send me a necklace and yun, for Mother's Day siguro yun, guys. Tapos ito, guys, this is from Kim's collection. Ang ganda, guys. Lagi ko na siya sinusot ever since na binigay na niya. So everyday ko na ginagamit. Yan, sa Philippines yan, guys, now order. So yun, i-leave ko na lang yung mga link again. So there, let's go. I'm nervous. This is my first time, so am I gonna do that as well? Yes! Okay.
Let me show you
what I have in mind for us. Okay.
So, like this.
Okay.
We twist. We do that. And okay, so like that. And us is with your pictures. Yay! Okay, let's do it. Yeah, starting with here.
I'll post it on FB because that's where, you know, the Adelaide people are really in.
Okay.
The Instagram. So I'll put it in Instagram as well, but it's mostly on Facebook because that's where the Adelaide people are, so they can come here.
Okay,
Yeah.
good. Yeah. Awesome. All right, let's do it.
Okay.
All right, so the first one.
Just sit next to me.
I really like the colours that we've got going on.
Okay.
I'm going to move this so it's not directly behind you. I'm going to move it.
6 PM na ng gabi. Pupunta kami ni ate sa T3 Gully. Kasi pupunta kami sa yoga class, restorative yoga. Kasi may kumuha sa akin guys na isang yoga business dito sa Adelaide, local yoga business. And then binigyan nila ako ng 4-week restorative class, and then yun yung ginawan ko ng pictorial guys for marketing purposes. So yun yung nakita ninyo. So ngayon this is my first day guys, kaloka. So sana makapag-vlog tayo doon. Dinala ko si ate kasi gusto daw niya manood kay mami habang nag-yoga. So yun guys, 30 minutes away from our house. Sana hindi kami malate kasi nakakaya naman. Pero iniready ko pa yung mga mag-ama ko guys kasi sila lang maiiwan. So yun, let's go there guys. I'll take you there. Tapos sana makakuha rin ako ng a few clips on paano ginagawa yung restorative yoga. They do regular yogas guys, pero hindi ata yun yung niregalo nila sa akin. Pero yun, so anuhin natin guys, start natin to, push natin to. So wala akong alam. I've never done yoga guys. Kahit yung sa mga YouTube lang na mga yoga guys, wala. So yung nakita nyo yung clip na prior to this, yung pictorial namin na ginawa ko yung mga poses, that's my very first time guys. Nagkabali-bali ata yung buto ko afterwards. Pero yun guys, I'm so excited and I think kailangan ko to kasi may mga back pains ako and restorative yoga helps that daw, sabi niya. So yun, excited ako dun.
Balance that. So we cultivate this awareness in this breath rhythm.
So guys, nakauwi na ako from the restorative yoga class kanina. Dito na ako with my baby and ate. So yung dalawa, si hubby and then si Mark, andun sila sa labas. And then kami naman dito sa kwarto. Manonood kami ng TFCN movie ni ate. So, yun guys, kanina, diba, gumawa ko ng pictorial for a small yoga business dito sa, sa Adelaide, local business sa Adelaide. And then, yung isa sa mga binigay nila sa akin is a 4-week restorative yoga class, and I'm so glad na pumunta talaga ako kanina guys kasi that's what I needed. Yung parang for your long stressful week and busy week as a mom and pag-asikaso sa bahay and everything, you just need that 1 hour and a half na shut away from the world and just relax and meditate and just listen to your body. Sobrang gandang experience guys. Nakaka-relax siya. And dahil nga umuulan kanina dito guys, sobrang antok na ako. Dahil lagi I think all that time nakapikit lang kami and ayoko nang buksan guys. Sobrang relax lang. And then while gumagawa ka ng mga poses, minamassage yung likod mo and then yung head mo. Sobrang relaxing and sobrang sarap guys. So, mga local friends ko dito sa Adelaide or mga subbies, check out niyo guys yung website. Ililive ko sa description below. May mga yoga class, regular yoga class, and then restorative yoga class siya na ino-offer. And then, next time, I'll try yung just regular yoga. Yung mag-try ako ng mga different poses and everything gaya nung sa pictorial. So, yun. I think I'll just end the vlog here. Magbabanding time lang kami ng mga bata. Guys, say bye-bye, Aliyah. Bye-bye. Hi, bye-bye. Yun, guys. Good night. Bye. Bye, ate.
Bye-bye.
Mga loves, thank you for watching the entire video. At kung nakaligtaan ninyong panoorin ng aking previous videos, please just click the link. And for more katatawanan, kabaliwan, and good vibes, show some love and hit the subscribe button. And like I always say, continue to be a living blessing to others. Be kind and may you have a lovely day. Mwah!